Hello dear traders, my name is Petko Aleksandrov from EA Forex Academy, and in this lecture I will make it clear about the pips and the points. I had many people asking me, is this in pips, is this in points, how many points is the spread, the swap, and basically I want to make it clear for everybody. And as well, probably I will update some of the courses that I have ready. But the difficulty here comes with the cryptocurrencies mostly, because these are the ones with huge spread, and some brokers are having after the second or the third digit. And also for the currencies, most of the brokers have with 5 digits, some with 4 still, but anyway, I want to make it clear for everybody. Alright, so the first point is, what is the digit? If you have a price of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this means you have 0 digits. So let's say this is a stock, okay, and the price is 12,345, and there is nothing after that. There is no 0.05 or 0.5, nothing, okay. So it's a whole number, meaning digits are 0, pip is 1, point is 1 as well, okay. So when there is nothing after a point, so if there is no point at all, okay, there is no digits. Simply said, what it's after the point, after the comma or whatever you call it, is called digit. And in this case, the pip equals to the point, all right? The next example is when you have 0.3, for example, point any number, you have already 1 digit. So basically, this is your digit, okay. And in this case you have pip 0.1 and you have point 0.1. so basically when you have only 1 digit after the point, this means that the pip and the point are equal, all right. The next case is when you have 2 digits after the point, so 120.12, okay, meaning as well that the pip equals to the point. And the next case is when you have 3 digits after the point. This normally comes for the dollar yen at the moment, or any of the yen pairs. So we have 3 digits, and here comes the difference with the pip and the point. So 12 pips and 3 points. This is how we say it. We pronounce the price as 120.12. Normally we don't say the point, but this is the smallest change you can see on the price, okay. So here already we have 3 digits, we have pip of 0.1, so 12 pips, and the point is simply the last one, okay. So here already the pip is 10 times bigger than the point. The next case, what I will show you, is when we have 4 digits. Let's say this is the price of euro, dollar, doesn't matter what example I would take, but it's a currency. So basically you will see 4 digits after the point, and here basically you don't have point because the point is equal to the pip. So here at 123.45 you have your pip as 45 and point is as well 45. So the point is here, but it doesn't make any difference from the pip, okay. And the next case is now what you see with most of the brokers, where we have pips and the last one is the point. In the old days, guys, all the brokers were till the 4th one, till the 4th digit, and the pip was equal to the point. And now, because there are so many brokers on the market and because of the huge competition over there, most of them started providing spreads lower than 1 pip. And because there was nothing before lower than 1 pip, they created the point. So now often you will see brokers providing you spread 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, okay, which of course is good for everybody that is on the trading side because you're paying less spread, okay. So right here, when you have 5 digits, the price is 123.45 pips and 4 points, but normally we don't say the 4 points when you pronounce the price, but the points are there, and simply again said, pips are 10 times bigger than the points. So an easy way to remember it is when you have 3 digits and 5 digits is where you have the pip 10 times bigger than the point, and when there you have 2 and you have 4, you are having pip same as points. So basically you can say there is no points, or you can say that the pip is the same as the point. I hope it's clear. I don't think you will find a broker nowadays that will show you 1 digit price or without digit price, but I just made it this way so it will be easier for you to understand me. And the next question is about the spread, the swap, the stop loss and the take profit. If you have spread and swap, normally the spread and the swap are in points or in dollar or any other currency. For example, you can see some of the brokers for the crypto, they provide swap negative of $25 and there are no points to calculate there, or you can see it as well in points, but the spread nowadays is mostly in points. Of course, there are brokers with huge spreads, simply you can stay away from these brokers. And the stop loss and the take profit, it's normally in pips, could be in points as well, but especially the softwares that we are using, for example EA Studio works with pips and FSB Pro works with points. So this is how you should work with these softwares if you are, and basically this is how the prices of the stocks, of the cryptocurrencies, of the normal currencies are basically structured. Okay, hope all is clear here, guys. Thank you for watching and I wish you have a great day. Cheers, bye.